Hello. In this video, I'll explain how to create a task in Journeys. First, there are a few considerations when creating tasks, whether it's a predefined task or a brand new task. A task only becomes relevant when you add it to a journey. Most times you can use the predefined tasks that are available, but sometimes you may have to create new tasks altogether, which is what we will focus on in this video. You may choose to create a new task when you create a personal journey, you edit a personal journey, or when you manage an assigned journey. Let's say your company wants to enable new hires the ability to provide proof of their COVID vaccinations within the first 7 days of their employment. You first need to create a new journey, then create a new task. Let's see how this is done. We're logged in as Curtis Fayette, who is an HR specialist. From the home page, click My Client Groups. Then in the App section, click Journeys. Notice the Explore tab, which is only available for line managers and HR specialists. Click Explore. On the Explore page, click Create Journey. On the New Journey page, you have the option to create a new journey or select an existing journey to modify it. Click the Create a Journey link. Enter a display name. In the category field, we'll select Onboarding since this is for new hires. Enter a description and enter a journey title. We're now ready to add a task. Click Add Task. On this page, you have the option to create a new task or select an existing task. Select the Create a Task link. Enter a task name. In the Performer field, we'll select Worker as it will be the worker completing the task. In the Owner field, we'll select Initiator as we'll be the one managing this task. And new hires will have 7 days to complete this task. Since this will be a manual task for the worker, in the Task Type field, we'll select Manual Task. Notice we're unable to send reminders as we haven't assigned a task yet, and because we can't send reminders for tasks where we're the performer. In the Task Description field, enter a description. You can also add instructions for the task. For this example, we'll leave it blank. So that we don't have to create this task again, select Save to My Personal Task Library. We also want this to be a required task, so we'll select Make this task mandatory. And since we want new hires to upload a document, we'll select Enable Attachments. In the Add Attachment to Document Records field, we'll select COVID-19 vaccination. In the Whom are the attachments for field, we'll select the performer of the task, whom in our example is the worker. Then we'll click Add and the task is added to the journey. Click Save. And the journey gets added to the Explorer page as a personal journey, and you can now see the personal filter chip that is only visible to you if you have at least one personal journey. A few things to keep in mind. Personal journeys aren't available in the checklist templates and allocate checklist response flows. New tasks are added at the end of existing tasks in the journeys page. And after you assign a task to a performer, you can edit the due date, reassign the task, or remove it. This concludes the explanation of how to create a task in Journeys. Thanks for watching.